Hello everyone, welcome to the Communication for Happiness, and I am Niharika, your IELTS speaking trainer. So today we'll be discussing about the cue card. Like, what is cue card? Cue card is like a topic on which you have to speak for like from 1 minute 40 seconds to up to 2 minutes, and we have to be confident while we are giving our speaking in front of examiner, whether it is our interview or the introduction part, or it is our cue card, or even if they are the follow-ups. So today we'll be preparing a cue card. That is, in this cue card we have to describe an English class or lesson that we enjoyed. So the cues or the questions for this cue card are: what was taught in the class, when did you take the class, where it was, and what did the teacher do that makes an interesting class. Before starting any cue card, we need to make a background, because it shows that we know what to speak about. Like in this topic, we have to discuss a class that we really enjoyed. So for example, the class for me was an English class. So the background that I can make will be like, during my school time I was not good in English, and for that I have attended many classes. Most of the classes were boring, but among those boring classes there was a very interesting class about which I am going to talk about, and that class was. ये बोलने से क्या होगा, आपका एक जो आपने स्टेटमेंट देनी है while speaking, उससे एग्जामिनर को ये क्लियर हो जाएगा कि आपने स्टेटमेंट को या आपने जो क्वेश्चन है क्यू कार्ड उसको आपने अच्छे से समझा है. सो दिस एड्स बैंड्स while you are giving speaking. इसके बाद जो हमें क्यू कार्ड के अंदर जो क्यूज़ यानी कि जो क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं, हमने उन पे भी ध्यान देना है कि हमारे को ये मेक श्योर करना है कि हमें जो 4 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, वी हैव टू आंसर ऑल दोज 4 to 5 क्वेश्चंस. सो जो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन था वो ये था: व्हाट वाज टॉट इन द क्लास. आप कुछ भी बता सकते हैं, जैसे I was taught grammar in that class, or I was taught vocabulary in that class. Like, you have to explain it very well. The next question was: when did you take the class? You can say that when I was in high school, or when I was in so and so class. It tells the examiner that this class was taken by you at this specific point of time. The next question is where it was. Where it was means you were in the school, or you were at your tuition, or your sister told you about it, or whatsoever. And the last question is, what was the teacher did to make it enjoyable. Like, you can tell the teacher was very much expressive. Like, the cue card that I'll be explaining there will contain all the points that now I'm going to discuss with you. Like, I will say ki the class was of English grammar, and it was totally different from the classes that I have participated in before, and the topic that was taught to me was of an advanced grammar rather than the simple grammar. So the things that made it really remarkable. So जो मैंने यहाँ पे word remarkable use किया है, it shows that you have a very good vocabulary. और उसके बाद you can say that I learned about the advanced grammar for the first time ever in my life. I took that class when I was in my high school, or when I was in my 12th class. Mrs. Sharma, or you can take the name of any of the teacher that you know, or you don't even know. Like, बहुत बच्चे वहाँ पे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं इस चीज़ के लेके कि वो टीचर कौन था. You can take any random name or your past life. और एक और चीज़ दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि जो भी आपने इसके अंदर 2 से 3 ईडियम्स यूज़ करने हैं. जैसे यू कैन से कि आफ्टर दैट आई क्लियर्ड माई 12th क्लास विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स. यहाँ पर जो फ्लाइंग कलर्स है वो एक ईडियम है जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि मैंने अपना एग्ज़ाम दिया, या फिर आप स्पेसिफिकली इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं कि मैंने अपना इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम दिया और उसको मैंने फ्लाइंग कलर्स के साथ पास आउट किया. So this was a cue card, and thank you so much, and for further details you can contact to Communication for Happiness. Thank you.